Hi guys, it's Alex from AWC. Today we're back with a full video on this 718 GTS 4 litre Boxster. This one's having full car paint protection film. Now the customer's local, he popped down for an appraisal of the vehicle so we could just check over everything and make sure he's happy with the work that we do. Now PPF is a clear film. Here's what it looks like. This is just a demo piece. It's extremely strong. You try and break it, it's very, very hard. And what we do is we use templated pieces and we apply this film to the whole vehicle. Now that means that you've got massive protection against stone chips, rock debris damage, scuffs, sometimes even light scrapes. It's perfect for a brand new vehicle like this, which has got 500 miles on the clock. So the next few videos or next few clips, you're going to see us applying XPEL Ultimate Plus to the full vehicle before we show you the final results.
I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luke, I told him I'm next, shit. I got a ball, I told them I'm here, I'm not waiting for y'all. They hit my phone, but I ignore the call. I got the drive and I see that they stall. I bought a whip and I paid it in cash. Numbers keep growing like what's on the dash. Drive me to Addy, I pull it the maps. Dressed in a white tee, I bought it a Gap. Hitting the gas, he trailing behind. This in his games, but I stay on my grind.